Alright guys, welcome along to another episode here on Oldfield Farm. And I've screwed up already. I was thinking about earlier on what to do this episode, how to carry it on. Do we continue spraying? Or do we continue spraying? But yeah, my plan was to spray. And thinking about it, it suddenly dawned on me that rain is forecast. And you don't spray before rain, because it washes it away. Washes it off the plants and away. Shit. We shouldn't have sprayed. I'm trying to think how to correct this, but I've got no idea. Either way, we've just wasted money. I'm not entirely sure how Soilmod puts it down, so I could go and... I don't even know if Soilmod's going to sort this out for us, to be honest. It might make it disappear. Yeah, that might be something worth mentioning actually to Deca. I don't know if it includes it or not, but in theory rain should make it bugger off. We shouldn't have sprayed. That was naughty. Very naughty. I've been doing a bit of research though. We can go for pre-emergence and post-emergence spraying, so it doesn't matter if we seed first. So, on that note, it's probably a damn good idea to get these fields seeded. Now. Also, we have the meadows to cut, windrow and bale, but later on we're going to be spraying once this rain hits. So I'm thinking we need to get into the meadows and get chopping. But that also creates a problem because I've got nowhere to put them. So what I'm going to have to do here is, well, ideally, well, we can't go spraying. That's off the menu now. I need to get rid of this silage. That has to go. I'm thinking about... No, I don't need to store the bales there. What I do need to do... Come on. I don't know why. The game don't reload the shaders. Which is weird because I've not swapped it out. That's what that lagging's for. Every so often. But yeah, I need to clear this wall. This wall needs to be available for silage bales again. Which causes me another problem. Because that's a pain in the ass to use. Fuck. I don't think I've put my... I might put my little locking script on that. So that's a job to do. But yeah, we need this cleared. This needs to be emptied for silage bales. And I can dump the stuff around here. That silage does need to go. Yeah. Yeah, we can do this. Right, we need to go seeding. Soybeans. Stayers down there. Right. That's a bit quicker. Right, Pete is going to be running the 6810. You've got nothing. Oh great. The front pack is going to have to come off or it's going to start costing me a lot of money, which is a shame because I quite like it, but it's alright for when we do it, but when Pete does it, it just causes a mess. So right, we need to come up with a bit of a plan really quick. Inside the camping queue. I don't know if I have any soybean. I do. We do have soybean. Awesome. Right. We're good. Possibly. Right. Lift you up. Lift you up. Where's... I've moved things around and I'm not quite used to the new positions. Do we actually have seed in there? We do. Ooh. Juicy. Okay. Right, we're going to put the minion back on. The front backer is going to go back in this shed. There may be a way of doing a script so when it's being run on its own, that would be the on button, that it doesn't work, kind of thing. It's like if it's hired work. Ooh. Steady on there. If it's hired worker, it doesn't have an effect. So the problem is that it runs the way I've got the course play and everything set up. It overlaps. So it's course play. No, Crazy Pete doesn't miss anything, which is cool. Until you start using that, and then he starts killing crops. and seeding costs us more than what it should, which is very, very bad. It's almost as bad as me stupidly spraying before rain. It just me, or should that not have lifted? Oh, you're one of them. So this is a problem weight too then. I'll figure that out another day. I got my own problems. I don't know why, it never dawned on me yesterday, but thinking about it today, it has bitch slapped me round the face. Rain is coming, do not spray before rain. Oh well, it's too late now. Right, what are we, the plan here, we can actually unload this, can't we? Yes, so I don't need to be silly. I believe it should unload quite happily. Like that. Yes. There we go. You can see it tipping out. Awesome. Voila. You douche. Soybean. Ah, bugger. Actually, I can use this. I can put canola down, can't I? I can't remember which tractor can actually handle the other one now. I'll have to look into that. The beef's a bit big. This is where we need the class. I'm very tempted to hold off on the Massey. Right, there's going to be a point here where this will refill. Yes, there is. It's there. Awesome. So what we need to do now is lock that, jump out, get over here. There we go. Open it up. We're going to have to go further back. No, wrong button. Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah, we don't have any canola, but we'll have shortly. There we go. That was a long process for fuck all, wasn't it, really? But, for the sake of realism, if we do it right, it feels better. But I have no canola at all, so we're going to have to go and buy. And I'm pretty sure I don't have any seeds to buy here, but I can kind of cheat it. We don't need the agram because we're buying, so we can just buy straight from Smith's. It's field 8 and 9 we're seeding with this, isn't it? Yes, fields 8 and 9. Awesome. Cool. We'll get there in the end. It's just going to take its sweet time. Right, beacons on. Beacons on. Maybe on. I don't know. There is no way to tell, is there? Or is there? Haha, I had it then. Come here. Oh, that's curious. Why doesn't the glow show in the mirror? Well, that is interesting. I wonder why. Oh, that's weird. Very weird. We're good. Let's roll. But yeah, you would lean down as low as you could go, I imagine, to make sure your mirrors were on. Yeah, I'm very, very tempted at the minute to offload the Stayer, the New Holland, and just bring in the class. It's a 180, so it's a bit more powerful than this. I think this is supposed to be 130. I think we've screwed with the pump of it. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Pretty sure. it's kicking out more than what it should be. There we go. Now the plan is get the seed in the ground, and that will work out. You can seed before rain. It'll probably actually do it a bit of good. But we can't spray, so all that's, well, we only sprayed two fields, so it's not horrendous. Why the weeds are there, I don't know. I'm guessing it missed it. Do we have a course then for field 8? We do, and it's a 3 metre course. Awesome. Right, canola. You do want to be seeding in 9th. Not going to happen. First waypoint. That's right, isn't it? I'm sure that's right. Fertilise and seeding. Yes, first waypoint. And it is that away. Okay, right. And that's there because he's missed a gap. Pete will do what Pete wants to do. Ooh, don't do that. That's not funny. Don't make me nervous. It's not nice. Right, so the John Deere's working. You are... yeah. So we need to actually check what this can lift. What can drag this? Where is it? There we go. 100. Ooh, this is going to be really close. Really close. That's got it. Nope. Yep, but that's busy. That's the 115. I think the stayers are 115 as well, isn't it? 114. So we do need the New Holland. Alright. Power up. Lower. See, that kind of works because it bounces back up. But the duck climbing a wall. Right. So we need to go put your soybean down. And I also need a mower. Can I stay around the mower? Ah. I'm reaching the limits. But I reckon getting rid of these two small ones and having one bigger one will work out well. We'll take the front loader arms off, put it on the little Massey to make the Massey that little bit more universal. And we'll lose the tractor, which is good for the finances. And I think I'm going to sell the combine and we're going to hire that back in as and when required. If we're just losing too much money, I have to save costs. Ooh, that was painful. Only electrics? Really? I think I've actually seen a picture of this. Nah, it'll be right. You have weight on the front, good, good. And you are ready for soybean. Do I have soybean? I do have soybean. We've already checked this. Yes. Early up. Has she got it? Oh, she's dragging it and she feels pretty stable. I like the T5, it's a nice mod. I like everything that we've got on here, but I do fancy a change. And having the extra ponies of the class will be a nice touch. And we'll see about the picking up the Massey later on, maybe next year. See how the finances sit. Right, will you do what I want you to do? No, you will not. Am I in the right place? Have I gone too far? Have I broke it? I think I know the problem. Because it's got something in it, which will be seeds 2, which we don't have in storage, so it won't pick them up. I'm pretty sure I've not got this one to empty, otherwise it would be empty. Right, so we're going to need the agram. Back in the list. Soybean is going in field 2. Okay. Nope. Dropped the ball here. Majorly so. We didn't put any doodah down, so we'll be alright. And I just out some mowing as well. This is just a big panic episode now. Right. Field 2. 3 meters. Is it 4 meters? I don't know. 3.5 meters. Right, you're going in 3 meters. Right, you're on soybean. Need to be doing a bit of that. Needs to be doing from that. Alright. Put that in the external too. Again. Oh, the lights. Cosplay puts the lights on. That was the reasoning. Now we're going to need, not you, your friend, you. Of course we have to go mowing. Not so much for getting the class today anyway. I've put myself in a situation now. Right, if I can drop that there, that's cool. Now I've got to get this in the right place. I don't think it matters too much. I think you have to pull it all the way back like that. It likes it better. If I'm right. About there should be good. Yep. Awesome. Sure nobody's jumped up behind us. No, no, no. Good, good, good. Right. Mowing. Mowing, mowing, mowing. I do have mowing settings, don't I? For most fields, anyway. CVT, bit fast. But I'm only carrying the tractor. So it's not too bad. It's less weight to brake. Nothing on a 3-point. But still, you will be bouncing off the roof with your head. The problem now is going to be when the rain comes as well. If the rain catches me seeding, it's going to make a mess. Ugh. As if the tractors were funny coloured enough. Right, I have a weight on the back of this where I need to put a mower. Before it rolls away. It's a long-winded turn. Right then, so we should better pick this back up on the front now, even though I can't see a damn thing. Oh wait, there it is. Where's the bar of the weight? Oh there, I got it. Right, how close were we? Yeah, my practice. He's not even going to register. Let's have another go at that then. See, in real life you'd actually lower the arms, you can put them next to each other. These are obviously vertical and God knows. I wonder, does it save the camera position when you jump out now? No, it doesn't. That's better. It's not perfect, but it's better. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the mower's over here somewhere. Right, I got it. There's the thing, can this actually drag the mower? I'm pretty sure I normally do the mowing with a JD. 70, yeah, we got it. Awesome. I was thinking about hiring in the Fusion 3. but it will require some work to fit in with the rest of the stuff we've got on the farm. Gotcha. Yeah, PTO hoses. You're not going to do that in real life. On, off. Just because? No. No, that's just silly. Right, fold her up. She's apparently stuck on the wall. Is that going to clip anything? Oh no, we're well clear. Right, let's get out there. Pretty sure the meadows are in good condition anyway. I've not actually checked the damn things. That would have been a good idea, wouldn't it? Let's go silage in, but we don't know what they're like. Making a good effort here, aren't I, guys? A good effort. Right, but everybody is about to start working, and we have hit 20 minutes. So this is an awesome episode of me trying to make up for my mistake. And now, there we go. 2.5 meters to the left on the mower, tool offset. Okay, so no course loaded, which is cool. We are in the sheep meadow. Is it a 3 meter or a 4 meter? Bugger, I don't know. It's been that long. Alright, what are you measuring at now? 3 meters. Alright. That makes sense actually. It's the windrower that's 4, isn't it? I seem to remember. But that doesn't make sense on a 3 meter course. 2.5? Oh dear. Brain's gone. Right, we've loaded that. We'll be right. 2.5 meters to the left. Right, 2.5 to the left, tool offset. Was that supposed to be lane offset, tool offset? That was lane offset, bugger. Tool offset, 2.5 meters to the left. Tool offset, nothing about symmetric, alright. In theory we're good. You're not seeding though. Is it coming to field work? I imagine so. It's all I've got. Okay, let's see. He's doing something. He's folding it up. Right, we're going to run out of soybean real soon. Aha, that should put it right on the middle. Yes, it's kind of coming back to me. I wonder how many episodes it's actually been since I did silage. Mowing. Yeah, that looks good. Right. Oh, that another guys. Yeah, lights on. But it didn't lag that time. Much better. What are we up? We're at 3.3 and slight acidity. And 100% soil moisture. Wow. It's not going to be awesome. It's not going to be a great yield of grass. But we've got 3 meadows to go through. We will see how it turns out. Right then guys, I will catch you next time and we will continue waiting for the storm, I suppose. We've got a good start on the grass. It's going for silage, so I don't think the morning dew is going to be that much of an issue, but it may clog the mower up. We'll see how we get on. I'll catch you next time. Laters. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to hang around. Catch you next time.